For smoke simulations, we need the same thing that we need for physics simulations with fluids. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add a cube in here. I'm going to duplicate it on the y-axis. I'm going to scale it up. This is going to be our domain on the right, and this is going to be our smoke flow. Again, similar to inflow, outflow geometry with fluid, we have a domain and a flow. Pretty simple. It's almost the exact same thing, except for smoke just looks different and it rises instead of falls as a liquid would. Very first thing I'm going to do is select my domain. I'm going to call this smoke domain. I'm going to go ahead and add a fluid property. Now, it does seem kind of weird, right? We're adding a fluid property. We're going to select domain, but remember, there's a type. There's either a gas or a liquid. I'm going to select gas because we have smoke, okay? I'm going to go ahead and click on our inner cube right here. I'm going to add fluid. I'm going to choose type, flow, and then we're going to choose smoke right here. You can see we have smoke, fire, liquid. We're going to choose smoke, and then we're just going to make sure our domain is around our cube, okay? We're going to head back to frame 1. And then we're going to go ahead and press play, and you'll see, look, the smoke is already there. When we press play, we have smoke rising. And just like that, we have a smoke simulation. But again, it's not always that simple. Remember that little cube in the corner? That is our resolution. You can see right here, it's at 32. If I lower it to, or sorry, if I raise it to about 54, and then we go back, you'll see how much slower this plays. See, our frame rate up here is about 14 or 13. But look how much more realistic our smoke simulation is. Now, obviously the smoke is rising. There's many things we can do to the smoke to either make it rise or fall or flow. There's a lot of cool things that we can do here. So let's experiment a little bit.